Hello, this is Sarah from saraestelle.com and welcome to your weekly magical business tip. Today I'd like to talk to you about something that's really uncomfortable, and that is about charging money for your healing business. So many healers come to me and say something like, Sarah, I feel so uncomfortable about charging money. So I undercharge or don't charge at all. And so therefore my healing business isn't really a business because I'm giving myself away. Now I actually totally understand this because that's how I began as well. I gave myself away massively, undercharged, ridiculously, so much so that I burned myself out and got sick. And it was when I got sick that I promised myself that I would never ever do that to myself again. So luckily for me, I chose to commit to the path, and over the last almost 10 years now, I've invested a lot of my time and a lot of money, as it happens, into learning how to make money a part of my own sacred flow. So I did this first and foremost for myself. And then I realized that lots of healers needed this work too, and it's now what I offer out through my Create a Magical business. So I'd like to give you some tips today, because one of my biggest passions is helping people just like you actually achieve your vision and help heal our planet by taking your work out there. So the very first thing that I'd like to encourage you to do is, the next time you feel uncomfortable about charging, is to actually just put that emotion aside, just put that feeling aside and focus on your vision. What is it what's your biggest vision? So for example, I was talking to somebody today who shared with me that she'd love to have a healing center, and it's something she's wanted to do since she was a small child. So you probably have something like that inside you as well. Now, to have a vision like that is extraordinarily exciting, and to me is a gift from the soul. And we all need to find ways to bring our soul gifts into manifestation. But at some level, we need to put aside the how am I going to do this, how am I going to earn money, etc., and just focus on the vision, because it's that will pull you forward. So next time you find yourself feeling uncomfortable about charging, just think of the big vision that you have and how many people you're going to be able to help once you take that more powerful action. Don't worry about the how right now. I'd also like you to make friends with money, kind of like get down and dirty with it. So I can remember the days when I had no idea what was in my bank account, and most of my fear around money was because I didn't feel empowered with it. So if that feels like something that might be true for you too, I'd love you to sit down, check your bank account, and just see what's in there. Track your income, track your outgoings, and make friends with the flow of money in your life. Also, use your tools. Make a list of all your beliefs about money. What are your feelings? Write down 5 of them, and then use your tools to move that flow through you. So you have healing tools. Use your crystals, your essences, your EFT, all of the amazing modalities that you have, whatever it is, and start working on those beliefs. If anybody can do it, healers can. And if you still need some help with money coaching after that, then please just get in touch. It's one of my areas of expertise, and through having worked through so many layers of it myself, my passion is to help other healers do just the same. So please reach out for help if you need to, and I'd love to hear how you got on with listening to the weekly magical tip today. Blessings to you. Bye-bye.